Do you know Church of Pentecost? It's actually a Ghanaian church. A reliable source just told me what happened now. That a particular man, the only man in that community back then that had the strength, the ability to be able to take a loan from the bank to buy the place that the church would take place. I mean the church, the house. He went to the bank and take loan. Now they have gotten a space to worship. And the man was thinking maybe after doing all this, they will at least give him some respect. Just that they will call Daddy Gio. They will also say, please let us welcome Mr. so. So it was not happening. So the man, I mean, he was kind of grumbling, but he did not complain that much. 1 month we passed, pastor will not even call him to say, Mr. Kovio, how are you doing? Oh, family is okay. There was nothing like that. The man was still quiet. On a faithful day, they were having their Thanksgiving church. And you know, other African churches, when they are doing Thanksgiving, they will cook different food, baku,
jollof,
beans, jollof, plantain, name it. There were food everywhere. Do you know that when they were serving the elders, they forgot this man? They did not serve him.
The one that took credit from the bank for the
church. I'm telling you. It was so sad.
That chairman.
How dare you people? I took loan to make sure that this building is here.
Chairman was paying.
And then you are serving food, you forgot me. Even when they were the one that made him so much business that when they finished serving, they were just sharing toothpick. He was the first person they gave toothpick. They gave him toothpick without eating. Even the children got food. This man did not see food. It was so hard. It was so very, 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 very sad. He went straight to the man of God, to the pastor. Went to the office.
I can imagine.
He said, what is going on here?
I can imagine.
He went to the pastor and said, what is going on here? I have been taking this nonsense for a long time. And make sure that this office that you are, if not for me that took loan, this office you won't have it. This church will not be here. Common respect you people cannot give me. When last did you call me? The pastor said, you know, the Holy Ghost, it was saying so. The man said, no, forget it. Today, they are sharing food. They did not give me a whole meal. The one that made him so much angry, the pastor said, Mr. Let's say, I can't remember his name. They say, you know, food is not everything. After all, man shall not live by bread alone. What? The man walked out of the pastor's office. You know what he did next?
No. He slapped somebody.
You know he had the paper of the church because it was his money that
I can imagine.
So the keys was also with him. He was the one that used to open the church normally. The next Sunday,
he locked the door.
Pentecostal church. He was supposed to be the one to open the church. Nobody they start by 10 a.m. in the morning. By 9 o'clock, this man was already in the church. He locked up the church. The pastor came first with his family.
Okay.
They were, good morning, you are welcome. You know, you came very early today. He said, yes, I came very early. And the pastor wanted to enter the church. I said, Pastor, you are not entering the church today. Nobody will enter this church. How dare you? You share food, you not share to me. You share for me. I was the one who gave you this church. As I speak to you right now, that place, there's no church there.
No church today.
Have you heard of Bella Flora? They are not selling flower there. The man drove everybody out of the church. He packed all the instruments, all the chairs out of the church. Now they are not selling flower. Bella Flora. Bella Flora, they have one branch there now. Instead of church, they are not selling flowers. Ghana. I hate Una. Please, what am I trying to say? Respect people, especially when it comes to food. They said an hungry man is an angry man. If you want to get to the heart of him, pass through the stomach. How can you be sharing food and you not share to the person that took loan to open the church? That is a crime. Ghana, please abstain from crime so that you will not change. They will not change your church to flower where they are selling flowers. Bella Flora.